Welcome to another Gauging Gadgets review video. In this video, we have the Sades SA708GT Gaming Headset. So this is an affordable gaming headset at around $20 on Amazon. It features compatibility with just about any gaming device, including Nintendo Switch, Xbox, PlayStation, even computers. Has an adjustable mic, which is really good. You can put it out of the way, make sure it's safe. And then it also has an over-the-ear design, so you can wear them for long hours, and it also will help block out some surrounding background noise. Before we get too far into the video, I do want to thank Sades for sending me this headset so I could review it. Thank you very much. All right, so let's go ahead and open it up and check it out. It comes in a nice cardboard box, and I like that because you can recycle it. Slide this out, and you got the headset right there. And everything in the box is going to be included in this bag. First thing we have is going to be a little instruction manual. So additionally, you get some adapter cables. This is going to be a cable that you plug the headset into, and then you have input and output plugs if you're going to do this into a PC or computer, something like that. Even says Sades on it, which is awesome. And then you have an adapter cable. I believe this is for an Xbox 360. So if you're using this with an older console, you can use this adapter as well. Then we get to the actual headset right here, where as you can see, I got the blue color. They usually do have different colors available. It has a really nice look to it, pretty lightweight. And as you can see, this will stretch very well. So that's good for fitting different sizes of heads, but also it's durable. If you sit on it or put it in a backpack and it gets a little bit bent, it's not going to break. Looking at the cable right here, this is going to be 1.5 meters. This plug right here is compatible with Xbox, PlayStation, and also Nintendo Switch. And then going up to the little knob right here, we have a mute and unmute switch right there, which is nice. And then you have a volume button for the audio in the headsets. Going up to the headset right here, the cable connects on the left earmuff, and that's also where you have the microphone that'll slide down. And as you can see, it gets really nice and low, so it'll be right near your mouth to pick up good quality audio. And I'll include a microphone test later in the video. Then I like that it slides up and it gets protected if you're going to be putting it in a backpack or luggage. And also you don't get any food on it if you're eating while you're gaming, anything like that. As you can see, the earmuffs do move, which is great for when it fits around your head, for wearing it and making it comfortable. There are no controls on the actual headset itself. They're all going to be on that dongle right there. Looking at the earmuffs here, as you can see, nice big earmuff. This should have no issue fitting around your ear. And then the earmuffs are going to be nice and soft, very thick and leather. And that'll be good for kind of a more immersive gaming experience where it will block out some of the sound around you, which is nice. On the headphones, we have left and right indicators, make it easier to put it on. And then you go up to the headband up here, where it also is very soft. And these can also adjust to fit larger heads, or maybe if you're wearing a hat, something like that. This isn't as smooth as I would like it, but it is made out of plastic, so it should be pretty durable compared to a metal one. I've seen those bend and break before. I do like the blue accents here, as well as the Sades logo on the right and the left side. Definitely gives it more of a gamer headset with this really cool design right here and the blue accents there as well. All right, so now that we've taken a closer look at the Sades SA708GT headset, let's go ahead and get it hooked up to my computer. I'll show you a microphone test and also what it looks like on my head. All right, so as you can see, I'm currently wearing the headset and all the audio you're hearing is coming from the microphone on the headset, which actually sounds pretty good, surprisingly good for a headset of this cost. The mic quality is definitely good enough for using with in-game chat, maybe in parties, things like that. But you could also use it if you're starting out on streaming or recording videos. My voice comes through very clearly. You can understand what I'm saying with no issues there. I also like the look of the headset with the blue accents coming in on the sides, and you even get a little bit up on the headband, which is cool if you're going to be using this with a webcam. All right, so as you saw in that example of the Sades SA708GTs, the microphone actually is really high quality. You can hear everything that's coming through it. There's no static or distortion with the voice there. So from a microphone perspective, I'm very happy with this headset. When it comes to the audio coming out of the headset, very impressed with that as well. For a budget-friendly headset like this, you would expect some tinniness or maybe some distortion. I did not hear anything like that. There was some slight limited range when compared to a more expensive headset, but I really found that the bass came through very clear with no distortion, and your highs sounded great. Things in game, maybe footsteps or shots fired around me, were easily noticeable in this headset, and I could also hear the direction that they were coming from. Now, really the only issue I had with this headset was just that the earmuff is a little bit smaller than I'm used to, so it did sit on my ear on the top. Most people probably won't have a problem with that because I do have larger ears. My wife tried on the headset and she had no issue with it. Overall, I do like the Sades SA708GT headset. I think it has good audio quality. The mic sounds good. It's compatible with just about any device out there that you'd like to use it with, and it's at a budget-friendly price. All right, so that was the Sades SA708GT. If you have any questions about this device, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. I'm going to add an Amazon affiliate link to the description below so you can find this exact device on Amazon. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.